Welcome to this transformative journey of cultivating daily gratitude. I'm Alexandra, and I am deeply honored to guide you through this practice that raises your physical vibration and attracts positive experiences into your life. Gratitude is a powerful force that can shift your vibration, elevate your mood, and open the door to greater abundance and joy. By incorporating this practice into your daily routine, you will realign yourself to the infinite potentialities of the quantum field and create a life filled with love and enjoyment. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the life force energy entering your lungs. As you exhale, releasing any tension or distractions. Know that you are in a safe and sacred space, ready to reconnect with your true essence. Take another deep breath in, hold it at the top, and as you exhale, allow any remaining tension to melt away. Bringing your awareness to your heart center, visualizing the warmth and radiance of your gold light emanating from within your heart. In this space of pure light and love, begin to reflect on the blessings in your life. Start with something simple, like the breath that flows effortlessly in and out of your body. Acknowledge the gift of life itself and the countless opportunities it brings. Say to yourself, either out loud or in your head, I am grateful for my breath. I am grateful for my life. Now expand your awareness to the people who bring you joy, support, and love into your life. These might be your animals or any animals that you love. Visualize their faces, feel their presence, and send them your heartfelt gratitude. Say to yourself, I am grateful for the love and support I receive. I am grateful for the relationships that enrich my life. I am grateful for the animals that bring me joy. Now think about the experiences that have shaped you, even those that were challenging. Recognize the growth, wisdom, and strength you have gained from them. Be proud of yourself for everything that you have been through, and yet, here you stand. Say to yourself, I am grateful for the lessons I have learned. I am grateful for my growth and resiliency. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow the feeling of gratitude to swell and fill your entire heart and then your entire being. Imagine this gratitude as a warm, golden light radiating from your heart and expanding outward, touching every part of your life. Say to yourself, I am grateful for all that I have and all that I am. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life easily and effortlessly on a consistent and everyday basis. Yes, good. Now let's continue to affirm the power of gratitude in your life. Repeating these affirmations either out loud or silently in your mind. I am grateful for the endless possibilities that life offers me. I am grateful for the love, joy, and abundance that flow easily into my life. I am grateful for the opportunity to create my reality with positive thoughts and actions. I am grateful for the guidance and support of the entire universe. Feel the truth of these affirmations resonating within you, amplifying your vibration and attracting more blessings into your life. Visualize how you will carry this practice of gratitude into your daily life. See yourself waking up each morning with a heart filled with gratitude, ready to embrace the day with positivity and grace. Imagine expressing gratitude for even the smallest of things, like a smile from a stranger, a beautiful sunset, a delicious bite of a meal, or all of the beauty that nature has to offer. Know that by cultivating a daily practice of gratitude, you are aligning yourself with the higher frequencies of the universe, attracting more love, more joy, and more abundance into your life. Take a moment to integrate this powerful experience. Let your heart swell with gratitude for the connection, healing, and empowerment you have received. Thank the quantum field, your angels, Holy Spirit, God, your higher self, and the infinite wisdom of the universe for this transformational time. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the divine light and love flowing through you. Exhale, knowing that you are anchored in your light, grounded and empowered. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and carry this powerful energy of gratitude with you wherever you may go. Remember that you are always connected to the infinite wisdom and light of God, Source. the divine. Thank you for joining me on this beautiful journey of cultivating gratitude. My name is Alexandra, founder of Angels Alchemy Lab, where I co-create plant-based remedies with my team of angels. If you found this meditation helpful, please comment about your experience below to co-create this conscious community together. If you feel called, please help my YouTube algorithm to reach more conscious beings by sharing, liking, and subscribing to my channel. Either way, I see you, I feel you, I love you, and keep shining and anchoring in your light.